Hey everyone, it's vmcampos, pop culture fan. So I've got an unboxing of a variety of random things. Some things that I saw at the store that I just had to pick up. So let's get started. Here's the first thing. Venom is celebrating its 30-year anniversary, the Venom character. Yes, 1988 was the first appearance of Venom. So they were selling these collectible minis. Let's see what this is all about. This is from Domes. Connect and display your way, 9 to collect. So we've got various versions of Venom, Space Knight, Gwenom, Agent Venom, Venomsaurus, Carnage, Anti-Venom, and Spider Carnage. The one I want is Gwenom. I love Spider-Gwen, and I thought that was a great mashup. So there's 9 of them. It's completely random. The box is totally sealed up. You cannot tell what you're gonna get at all. So let's open it up and see what I get. Come on, Gwenom! So much suspense. It's still in a package right here that you cannot tell what it is. We get Space Knight Venom. So this is the Flash Thompson Venom character, Space Knight. He basically became a good guy. And so the quality of this is pretty cool. You have this little container where they're at. I don't think this really opens up. You can put them all together because they're in the containment field so they don't come and possess you. So okay, it's fun. I really wanted Gwenom, but this will be cool. Next up, from the mystery random unboxing thing, we've got some Nicktoons Light Ups. Collect all 8 Light Ups. So this one includes Reptar, Gurr, Arnold, CatDog Ickis, Ren, and Stimpy. So all of these seem pretty fun. I'd like any one of these. I guess the ones that I would like the least, are Reptar and Ickis. Never watched much Rugrats or Real Monsters. Arnold will be alright. Football Head is fun. Gurr looks cute. I would have rather had a Zim, however. I'd love Ren and Stimpy. Now that's my jam. CatDog was fun. And Rocco. I like Rocco too. So let's see what we get from here. This is from Bull's Eye Toy, I guess. Des Moines, Iowa. Oh, cool. I got Rocco. That's really cool. From Rocco's Modern Life. So it's a little light up thing. Let's see how well it lights up here. That's fun. So cool. I got one that I wanted. Look at his expression. Classic. Voiced by Carlos Alazraqui. Next up, we've got the Collect All 9 Super Mario hanger and trading card collector pack. 1 hanger plus 1 trading card. So the possibilities here are Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, Donkey Kong, Yoshi, Toad, Bowser, Wario, and Waluigi. What, no Bowsette? So they're all cool, and any one of them I'd like. I'm not a huge Donkey Kong fan, so I guess that's the least one. But let's see, so 1 hanger and 1 trading card. Oh, this one is from Enterplay. The trading card is Waluigi. So, yep. Waluigi, and then on the back it connects a huge puzzle. This is so much like the classic Garbage Pail Kids, little Goomba, Mario, and Yoshi. And the actual hanger is Waluigi. Look at him, he's so lanky and weird. This is kind of cool material. And the expression and the drawing looks nice. Real nice purple color there. So cool, this one's fun. Not my first choice, but cool. And lastly, this is pretty cool. So my parents went to the swap meet and they got 2 booster packs of Star Wars Customizable Card Game, Limited Edition Premiere. These cards are actually 20 years old, from 1995. Actually, that means 23 years old. Back when they had the Star Wars Customizable Card Game, after the success of Magic the Gathering, these things just exploded. There was Star Wars, Star Trek, Lord of the Rings, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, etc. So here's 2 boosters of Star Wars. The valuable cards here are the ones of, Darth Vader, Han Solo, Luke Skywalker. Besides that, I don't really think there's anything valuable except maybe for nostalgia. Let's open one of them. Alright, so we've got... finding the focus on this will be tricky, maybe. Tatooine, oh no, there's Aunt Beru and Uncle Owen all fried. And the Death Star docking bay. Imperial pilot. Kid Kak. Blast door controls. Hilarious. Look how this was one of the cards from this series. The door controls. Wow. Macro scan. A couple of banthas hanging out. Talon roll. Before the barrel roll, you were told to do a talon roll. It's worse. So I don't remember at all how you even play this game, so I don't have much to say about that. Tatooine Mos Eisley, Tatooine Docking Bay 94, Rebel Pilot, Escape Pod. Oh, the classic shot when C-3PO and R2-D2 blast off. Saitor Calfas. I'm sure that's an anagram. One of these blink and you'll miss him characters. Rebel reinforcements. And I've got a bad feeling about this. Okay, well, I didn't get any of the big money cards, but let's see the other pack. The glue is still strong 20 years later. Oh, another escape pod, yay. Collar, okay. Full Dex alert. Tractor or reactor terminal. General tags. Taggy. Fusion generator supply tanks. Now there's another Saitor Calfas. Another Rebel Pilot. These must be the commons. Timer Mine. We're doomed. Tusken Scavengers. Stormtrooper Backpack. Wow, everything was dibs for this card game. One of these fun droids. Imperial Blaster. And collateral damage. Oh man, so nothing there also for big value, but super nostalgic. So there you go. This was my mystery unboxing. We got a Venom Space Knight, a Waluigi, another Waluigi, a bunch of Star Wars cards, and Rocco, everyone's favorite marsupial. So, what do you think? Good buys? Not great buys? I think this one was the best of the lot. I'm going to wear it for Comic-Con 2019. So, this has been VM Campos. Hope you liked the video. See you down under.